I'll be back.
Stay alive. Don't fight any high-ranking nobles.
Got it.
And...
why is he looking at me?
be careful, Essel.
Father, you're embarrassing me!
Shall we go?
Yes!
I have to share my experience points with party members. They're distributed based on how much a party member contributes to the fight. Don't even think about fighting. I'll take care of everything.
Yes, sir. Hold on! The Garsh family head likes this liquor.
Why do you have it?
To negotiate with the...
Negotiate? Are you guys on good terms?
No. But they're reasonable!
Good to know. Wait here. I won't be long. Then let's try. You can't avoid it! I'll end this! Leave it to me. An opening! Destroy them all! Tearing through! I'll shred you! Weak point detected! Strike! Leave it to me.
Let's roll!
This is the end! Time for a counter. It's no use! You're an unworthy opponent.
Get it!
Destroy them all! I see it all. You can't avoid it! Vanish into the shadow of the moon!
Let's roll! Are you done already?
Yeah, I said I wouldn't be long, right?
I didn't think someone could... You made the right choice. If I had let my father attack him...
Let's head to the next floor.
Right! I have a lot to think about.
You're an unworthy opponent.
Excuse me. Genu, sir. The most powerful noble clans control the floors ahead. If you can reason with them, they might hand over the permits.
If I were weaker than your family, would we have talked things out? That's just how it is. Don't worry, I'll make sure the Radish clan rules this tower.
My family's name is Radiru. But why are you looking out for us?
Just 'cause I like you.
What?
I think I'm getting along well with these stupid kids. Lightning Blitz! You can't avoid it! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! It's no use! Leave it to me. Destroy them all! Too slow. Tearing through. Time for a counterattack. I'll shred you! Destroy them all! I'll end this! I see it all. An opening! Weak point detected! Enough with the jokes. You're an unworthy opponent. This will really help me grow. Time for a counterattack. Too slow. Vanish into the shadow of the moon! You can't avoid it! I see it all. An opening! It was a good fight. Time to warm up. Let's try. Lightning Blitz! You can't avoid it! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! Weak point detected! It's no use. Destroy them all! Wait, this is the end! detected. I'll end this. Huh. I see it all. Too slow. Destroy them all!
Let's go!
I'll shred you! Time for a counterattack. You're an unworthy opponent. An opening! This is the end! Lightning glitch! I see it all. Destroy them all! Too slow. You can't avoid it! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! Weak point detected! I'll end this! Lightning blitz! Leave it to me. Destroy them all! Time for a counterattack. An opening! This is the end! It's over! Lightning glitch!
Are all humans as strong as you, Jinyu?
Maybe one or two? Kogane and Chai. Things might be different on an international level, though. You can go back now.
Am I not useful to you anymore?
She's funny, all right. You've done a good job.
I'm going with you. I want to see what you can really do.
Suit yourself, then. You're an unworthy opponent. This is it, the top floor. For my mom.
Jinyu, sir. I have to see this through.
This will really help me grow. Too slow.
Let's roll!
You can't avoid it! Weak point detected! This is the end! Destroy them all! Lightning Blitz! I'll shred you! Lightning Blitz! Destroy them all! It's no use! I'll end this! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! It's over! This is the end! You're an unworthy opponent. Lightning Blitz! You can't avoid it! Too slow.
Let's roll! Amazing! I've never seen a battle like this! There's Garen, the Demon King. The Supreme Ruler. And my friend Ginu, an obvious threat. Whose side am I supposed to take?
It was a good fight.